What's up guys, welcome back to another Jacob and Benny adventure. On this episode we are flying the whole family out to a little island called Norfolk Island. It's about 1,500 kilometers from Brizzy and a 2.5 hour plane ride. This is going to be epic. Let's get the morning routine done and we'll see ya shortly. Temperature, you can just see about 13-14 degrees. Yeah, big man. Leo's up. Yeah, boy. You ready? You ready, big boy? Yeah. What about you? You ready, Theo? Yeah, boy. Leo, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. What about you, bud? Keen?
I'm ready.
Got all the bags?
I'm in my mode. Let's get there alive.
Morning routine done and dusted. I'm feeling so fresh. Like as fresh as the pool this morning, which was about 13 degrees. We got the gang ready. They're all excited, they're pumped. Got the Jeep packed full of sand and also all the gear. It's going to be epic. So the awesome benefit about full air suspension is that we can drop it down to the lowered height to get all the kids in the car and also get the luggage in the back. So let's do it. So here's the 2-inch ride height. You will see that drop right down nicely to get all the gear in the back. Kids will be able to get in nice and easy into here. Still dropping down. Yes. Got the bags underneath as well here. Just there, you can just about see them in this light. Look at that. So there you go, that is your lowered height. So originally we were right up about here for the 2-inch lift. Dropped it right down. Absolutely fantastic. The controller now shows lowered position. Now when I take the handbrake off and I start driving, it will automatically return it back to drive mode. Right there, which is excellent. What do you reckon, Georgie? You excited? Yay! Team effort. Go. We've arrived at the airport. Keen boys? Keen for the plane? It's Georgie's first time on a plane. You excited, Georgie boy? Yay! Yeah. Alright, let's get this stuff sorted. Love the hat, Theo.
Oh,
Looks good.
thank you.
You excited for the plane ride?
Yes.
You know it's George's first plane ride?
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, and where's Mom? And where's the coffee? Mommy's up there.
So we're just walking over to the only cafe open in this joint. Just gonna go get an espresso because I am on the fast until after lunch, until we hit Norfolk Island. That's gonna be good. Oh, peeps, how are we? Oh no.
Caffeinated.
What'd you have?
Croissant.
Oh, croissants.
Yeah.
Nice. Love them. Yes, Penny, you keen? Oh, what do we got? Banana bread for the boys. Espresso.
Wait, what?
Yeah. You excited? we just arrived. Got the vans. Look at these. Yoo-hoo! Big vans.
Pretty easy.
Alright, we're just about to head off to the White House, which is where we're staying. So pretty keen. We've got a bit of a sun shower happening at the moment. Should be good, stay tuned.
Oh god.
What's this, a mum car?
No. No signal. Are you Telstra? Oh god. Oh no. Don't say we got no signal.
So there you go.
Maybe it's just in the
If you've got Optus, you're probably not going to get signal on the island. So make sure you got Telstra.
How do we get there?
So we're currently here at the airport. We've got to go into Cumberland and then we'll be at the White House over there.
I love it.
Keen as.
Love it.
What are you reckon?
amazing.
Amazing.
How about this red rocket?
Oh god. The red rocket, eh? What do you reckon, babe?
Very nice.
Loving it, Mum? We're into the White House. It's amazing, eh? Good birthday. Good birthday joint. We're doing the rounds. We don't have Sims yet, so we had to ask a few people. And there's a joint here called P&R Groceries. So we're gonna go there, grab some groceries. Benny's off to the butcher. He's gonna get some local organic feed. It's gonna be great. Meat, all sorts of things. And then we'll go to the bottle as well. Check that out. Yeah, it should be good. Keen as. There we go, just did a bit of breath work and meditation whilst looking at the sun come up. That is amazing.
People as well.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Do it again, do it again.
Here you go, so take the photo. There's a resin mold of what the moon looked like the night you were born.
Oh, really?
And then on the printout it tells you what that means about you.
Oh, that's so lovely.
A massive thank you to everyone supporting the channel. I hope you are enjoying this mini series on Norfolk Island with the family. It was an absolute blast. Make sure you drop a like and a comment on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Enjoy the rest of this Norfolk Island episode and stay tuned for plenty more episodes on this fantastic island. All right, babe, what's happening right now?
Well, old mate's hungry. Just wants to eat, nothing's changing.
What have we found in this town that's a common occurrence? Closed.
Everything's shut.
Everything is shut. It's insane.
That's alright, it's like sleeping.
There's actually 17 tourists on this island, so they're getting pretty hammered with not having many people come and visit this beautiful island, which is a shame. So yeah, we're just trying to find somewhere to have a feast for the morning, see how we go, and then we're on a tour. Just like a mini tour of the island so we can see what's good, see what's not.
Are we driving?
Pretty sure this whole joint's going to be great because it is a beautiful place. Are we going to drive, are we?
We've got it, haven't we?
What happened last night?
the barbecue blew up. It singed me so bad.
You're officially been lit.
Poor Benny boy.
Tell me the experience, Kat, that Benny had there.
It was pretty traumatizing for him. Thought he was going to lose his beard. It was sad.
I was just annoyed that there was a delay in the steaks for dinner.
Oh, God. Here we go, here's the tour bus. Good old high ace. It's probably going to need some bags after the amount of people we're putting in here.
Above your head.
Look at the nutcracker.
Have you found the salty captain, Benny? On the jet ski?
Amazing.
You used it on the cars as well, didn't you? Loving it. You right?
The hiccups from eating too quick.
Emily Bay. Beautiful place. We'll go for a dip soon. The bus tour that we're doing has given us a good idea on what's around, and there's some beautiful places here. There's a place called Emily Bay and Slaughter Bay, and we've got crystal clear water. There's reef everywhere. It's actually a really epic spot to have a swim, so I'm keen to go and do that pretty much every day, because we're based literally just down the road in the White House. So this would be good to come here every morning, have a dip. Apparently it's about 17 degrees of water, but that's perfect.
Dad, look.
It's gonna be great.
This is beautiful.
What'd you find? Oh yeah.
It's a leaf.
Ooh, that's nice. Do you want me to throw it?
No.
Oh, you keep it? Alright. There's Emily Bay there. That looks awesome. Little pontoon to go and swim up against as well, just over here.
Oh, Kat, you'll get it.
No.
Whoa. That's cool.
What is it?
Wow, look.
Is it just a room?
Look at this. It's just a big hole. What do you reckon, boys?
Cool.
Pretty awesome, eh?
How did we get through here?
We went through the little hole. Well done. Right, hold this and you can video me climbing through.
What? Okay. I'll do video.
Yeah, I'm coming through. Oh.
Mommy, Daddy.
There we go. Day 2 is coming to an end. We've been on an awesome tour around the island, so we know where the really good spots are, and we've had a chat to the locals, and they have also given us some good idea on where the spots are, the epic spots, the scenic spots. We're now off to dinner at a place called the Bounty Bar. Apparently there's really good food. And then after that, we are on a tour, which is a ghost tour around apparently one of the most haunted little spots in the South Pacific. So it's going to be interesting. Yeah, it's a bit odd, but you know, as we drove past it in the tour bus, it was a bit of an odd vibe looking at it. So we'll see how we go, eh? It's going to be epic. Let's go.
Right. So vlog.
Where are we off to?
It's in the Bounty Bar. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wait.
Far
We're just
out.
going around the corner.
Look at
Oh my goodness.
That's insane.
That is amazing. There's Uncle Ben.
Just
up
driving
there.
through the mountaintops here. We've got ocean on the left, ocean on the right. It is amazing. Loving it.
And in the back we have
The fan bag.
the birthday girl, the fam, and Katrina. And he died.
Prawns were sensational. Crispy around the outside, moist in the middle. Loved it. Moist. Amazing. Ben? You said you're gonna have a bit of a food baby later on. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching this episode. There's plenty more to come. Make sure you drop a like and a comment on the video, and we'll see you next time on another Jacob and Benny adventure.